Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is something new. I'm starting a new series here on my channel. I'm going to be doing more of lifestyle, more of talking videos. I want us to discuss topics, like things that relate to us on a daily basis. I'm going to break it down for you, nothing too long, very short. I'm going to keep it real as I can. Today's video is going to be about 5 things you should know about social media bloggers. Let's get started. These are some things that maybe you don't know, you basically have no idea, or sometimes you do have a clue but you just don't understand. The first thing you need to know is that it is their job. It is not a game, it is not a joke, it is not for fun, it's not because they just want to show off. It is their work and their job. They blog because they want to educate you on some things that maybe you don't know, to help you. Or maybe they blog because they just want to share their ideas. Say a beauty blogger. They don't just put up makeup because they feel like I need to always have makeup on my face. No, they don't feel like that. They do that because they get paid by brands to blog about their products for them. Some people might not be getting paid to do some things right now, but they are still getting products from brands, stuff from brands to just post because they have influence on people and they can't push their product. They're making money off their passion. They're making money off the things they love to do. Who wouldn't want that? I'm sure you would want that. To be able to get paid to do something you love already. And that's exactly what bloggers are doing. It is their job. Let's get that straight. It is a job for someone to be a blogger. Stop seeing Ghanaian bloggers as people who have nothing to do. Or maybe they just want to show off. It's not a show off. It's a job. It's work. Is what they do for a living. They get paid to do the things they do. So please understand that. It's not just vain. It is work. The second thing you need to know about bloggers is that they all have a schedule. Bloggers have a schedule. So friends, family members, even brands, don't just ask your friend who is a blogger to post something on their page. And when they don't post it on their page, you get offended. Don't be offended. They have a schedule. They know when and what to post at what time. They have already planned their feed because they want their feed to look a certain way, if you can believe it or not. They do have a plan for their post. They know what post is going up next, what is going there, what is going there. So their feed, when I talk about feed, I mean their profile page looks a certain way. They want it to look a certain way so they know exactly what they are posting at what time, what picture follows what. They know exactly what they're doing. So please don't rush a blogger to post something on their page. And please, when you tell them to post something on their page and they don't post it immediately or they don't want to post it, don't be offended because it might not fit in their feed. It might not fit in how they want to arrange their page because they want their page to look a certain way to attract certain brands. They can't put some things in there to mess it up. So you have to understand, bloggers have a schedule. 3, it's expensive and it's a lot of work. Blogging is expensive. The equipment they use to get the pictures to look the way they look, the softwares they use, the computers, laptops, a whole lot. Like cameras, lights, is a lot and it is expensive. It's not cheap. Even aside equipment, they put in a lot of effort. They learn a lot. They educate themselves so they can educate you on the things they talk about, on the things they post about. You need to educate yourself as a blogger to be able to grow in your own craft, to be able to understand exactly what you're doing or what you're posting about. So it's a lot of work. It's not all glam. It's not glam at all. It's a lot of work. Up until the time where you get paid or you get free products and stuff like that, from the beginning you invest. Even as you go, you still invest. Even if you're still getting products, you still invest in things you want to get and things you want to show people. It's expensive and it's a lot of work. It is. Don't judge a blogger based on what you see on their page. Do not judge a blogger. Don't think you know them, because you don't. Seriously, you don't know the blogger. You don't know them personally. You have no idea what their life is about. So don't judge them. Bloggers show you what they want you to see, so you don't get to see their whole life. If they post every single day, that doesn't mean they're showing you everything that happens in the day. They're showing you the things they are comfortable to show you, and they're showing you the things they want you to see. Some bloggers might come off as stuck up or too known, as we call it, on their pages, but they might be the most humble people you would ever meet. Some people might be stuck up, but yeah, let's be real. Some people might be stuck up, but most people might be way different from what you think you know of them. And that is a fact. Let's use a case, for instance. There's a fashion blogger, and then she wears all sorts of things on her pages, and you just assume this person might not know God or something. How do you know that? You believe in something else. She believes in something else, or he believes in something else. What makes you think you're better than her, or what makes you think you know God more than she knows God or he knows God? You have no clue. You don't go to church with her, or you're not in her room when she's praying. Like, you have no idea. So don't judge a blogger by what you see on their page or think you know them, because you don't. And the last thing is, they are real life human beings. Yes, they are human beings just like you are. They go through the things that you go through, or even worse. They go through life just as you go through life. They have bad days, if not bad months. The fact that you don't see that and you only see the glam doesn't mean they are trying to tell you that they have a perfect life. You are thinking they have a perfect life. They don't think that. They are posting the things that makes them happy. They post the things that they want to show you. You don't come on social media and put out your life, what is going wrong in your life. So why do you expect them to do the same? And if they don't do that, you assume that they are trying to portray that they have a perfect life. They don't. You don't portray that, but you don't think of yourself like that. But you think of somebody else as trying to portray that they have a perfect life, when they are not. They're just posting things that they're passionate about. And you see that and you think these people have the perfect life. They are not perfect. You don't know what led them to where they are. You don't know what they went through. You don't know their stories. You don't know how they got to where they are now. So don't just assume. So please, 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 please be content with who you are and where you are in life as of now. So just focus on you. Do what you love. Concentrate on you. Concentrate on building your life. Just work hard to accomplish the life you want to have. Do the best you can. Leave the rest to God, and you will succeed. Hope you enjoyed watching this episode. Alright? Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know the things you thought or what you assumed about bloggers, or what you thought you knew about bloggers. And also like, share, and subscribe again. Subscribe is important. So I'll see you in my next video.